So here in this quick tutorial, I will let you know about how to share your Telegram link or copy Telegram profile link. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Telegram application, and once you have done it, you will probably see the three dots on the left upper side. So simply tap on the three dots and go to the settings. Once you have done to here, you will probably see the username. So simply tap on the username and you need to copy the username from here. So long press on it and you will get the copy option. So simply tap on the copy and go back and again go back and go to any of the profile or any of the chats that you want to send this profile link. So once you have done to here, you need to paste the thing like that, and before that you need to type in like me t.me slash like that, and simply you need to go to the send button and send it like this. And that's how you can simply share Telegram link, or you can simply right now copy this link to share your profile to any other person. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.